you doing, Ryan? What you eating? Ryan, what is it? Crackers. Did you eat them all gone? Are they yummy? Hey, don't fall off your chair. Watch out. Are you happy? It's crackers. Are they good? Did you help me wash the dishes? Yay for Ryan. Are you my helper? My buddy? You my buddy? Crackers in there? Okay, you better eat them all gone. Can you say love you, Nana and Papa? Say bye-bye. Give a kiss.